surface, which is higher on the edges, because the molecules interact with the glass and cling to the outside of the vessel. It is more pronounced in narrow vessels. To read the volume, bring yourself down to eye level and read at the bottom of the meniscus. This one is 6.00.
Before you choose, the pipette was rinsed with water and solution 3 times. This is called priming or cleaning the pipette. Clean out the pipette with deionized water. You put the pipette in your dominant hand, making sure you hold it towards the top of the pipette and that your forefinger can move. In the other hand, pick up the bowl. Place the pipette in the deionized water far enough not to get air bubbles, but far enough to touch the bottom. Squeeze the bulb and place it over the top of the pipette. Slowly release the bulb from your grip, filling the pipette until the water is past the marking on the container for the meniscus. Remove the pipette from the water, placing the bulb with your forefinger.
We're going to place the pipette down in the solution, not touching the bottom. Squeeze the bulb and slowly add liquid to the pipette. Place your finger with the bulb. Determine the initial volume, which is 6.49. And then we're going to add some liquid to the receiving vessel and determine the final volume, 8.39.
First, we have to find the initial volume. So I'm going to put the bulb on the pipette, put it in the water where it's not touching the bottom, pull some liquid out. The volume is 6.9. So we're going to put some of the liquid in the beaker. Measure the volume again. Which is 8.8.
Alright, so to find the initial volume of the liquid, take the bulb and empty it out and put it on the top of the pipette. You place the pipette in the water, but not touching the bottom, but not out of the water to get air. Release the bulb, and then replace it with your index finger. It's 7.1. Then you transfer the liquid into the other vessel. And then the volume is 9.1.
Precisely, fill up this pipette with some water and show you how it's really done. Stick the pipette in your right hand, if your primary hand is right hand. Bulb in the left hand. Just go ahead and squeeze it. Stick the pipette into the water, not on the bottom, but not at the top. Go ahead and stick it onto the pipette and release. Go ahead and fill that up until it stops. Index finger onto the top. Go ahead and read the initial, and it is 7.10 milliliters. I'm going to take it over to the smaller beaker and release my index finger really slowly. Stop. My final volume is 8.54 milliliters.
Make sure if you're using multiple weighings to use the same balance, because there's a small percentage of error that is canceled out in the end if you're using the same balance. Make sure the inside of the balance is free and clear of liquid and debris. Make sure all the doors are shut, because the air pressure can affect the reading on the balance. And make sure the balance is tiered. If there are numbers on the screen, hit the tier button. This makes the balance go to 0 and is ready to use. Never lean on the bench while weighing the substance. Any substance you put in the analytical balance, make sure it's at room temperature. Too hot or too cold can cause the weight to be in error. the balance is already on, we're going to tear it. Set 0, 0. Open the door. We're going to measure how much 50 milliliter beaker place. 27.8355. Open it back up. There you go. We'll draw out some solution. Open the balance back up. Make sure it's seared. Add the beaker back. Close the door. $31.4981.
So our scale reads 0, and then open up and put it in the beaker and close it. And our math reads 27.94331. Then we take it out. And then place our pipette in the solution. Squeeze our bulb and then take up. And we put it in our receiving vessel. And then tear it again. And replace our beaker in the balance. And read the final math, which is 31.0053.
Has anyone not gotten their quiz back from last week?
First, we're going to tear the balance to make sure that it's at 0. And after it appears at 0, open the slide and place the beaker inside to find the initial weight.
36.271.
We're going to record it as 27.8515. And we take the beaker out and fill the pipette with solution.
Combined container and make sure that scale is again teared.
And it reads 3.35.
And our new mass is 48.661.
And this reads 5.5. So then we're going to weigh the small beaker again to find the mass of the solution. And we're going to write the weight down as 30.063.
It's already on. Next, I am going to tear it out. Make sure it says 0. Open up the sliding vessel door. Put my beaker in there. Slide the door. Take the beaker out. Close the door. make sure it's teared out again. Okay. And that's my final bond.
72.393.